Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can log in as a root user into your FTP server. But before I start, I would like to tell you using root user for your FTP server is not a very good practice and you must not use this on your production server. You can try this on your local system. So first you need to check service is running or not. I am using Ubuntu server and I am checking if FTP service is running or not using this command. Well, the service is running. Now I am using an FTP client, that is FileZilla, and I am going to connect FTP server using this client. This is the host name of my FTP server, username and password. Well, I have used regular user, so you can see I am able to log in as a regular user into my FTP server. Now if I use root user, well, you can see I am not able to log in as a root user. There is one error, 530 login incorrect. Critical error, could not connect to server. Well, this is the default error, and by default you are not allowed to log in as a root user into your FTP account. So you need to give permission to your root user. There is one file in Ubuntu system, that is FTP users, and in this file you can see list of user disallowed FTP access. So root is in the list of disallowed users, that's why root is not able to log into your FTP server. So just I need to comment this line. And I need to restart the FTP server. Now I am trying again as a root user. Now I am able to log in. So this is one simple solution. You need to comment line root in FTP user file and you should be able to log into your FTP server. I am going to show you parameters of my VSFTPD configuration file in case if you are getting any other error. Well, these are the parameters of my VSFTPD configuration file, and you can compare your file with mine. In case if you are getting any error, this will help you to solve the error. Now if you are using any other Linux system like CentOS or Fedora, you can find another file in your system. The file name is user_list. You can find the file inside VSFTPD directory etc/vsftpd/user_list. There should be one line in the file user list_deny is equal to yes. If line is there and commented, you need to uncomment the line, or if line is not there, you need to add this line. Once the line is added, you need to open this file and comment the line root in the file. Once you have commented the line, you need to restart the service and you should be able to log in as a root user. Similarly, if you are using any Debian based system like Mint or Debian, then you need to open FTP users file. The process is same as Ubuntu. You need to comment line root in the FTP users file and restart the service. Then you should be able to log in as root. I hope it will help you to log in as a root user.